Hello, today I'll talk about DIVEROID Universal Pro and Mini. DIVEROID Universal Pro, it's a underwater case, and Mini, it's a little robot that will help you to record videos and get information underwater. Let's go to the unboxing. The package includes a case, Universal Pro, the underwater case, a strap, a little silicone tube, some spare parts, and the manual. Here comes the Mini. Let's take a look at the Mini. This is the device we'll talk about later. It's pretty easy to operate. You just need to slide this thing up and this thing right. You can fit any phone in here, any model. It's easy as sliding this in here, done. It won't fall, it fits there. You can go underwater at 60 meters, and it has 3 buttons to interact with your phone. Pretty easy to operate. And this is the DIVEROID Mini. Just put it here, slide this. You can connect your smartphone to this thing. This thing will help you to film high quality video, because as you know, when you dive with your phone, the video gets darker, blue or green. This thing will automatically apply the red filters and will make your videos look great. So the DIVEROID Universal Pro and Mini is the only existing all-in-one solution for computer, camera and logbook. Also, for your Universal Pro and Mini, you can get another accessory. It's a two-handed grip stay. It's quite easy to mount. You take this if you want to use it with the Mini. If not, you're gonna use 2 bolts. They'll come with the box. There you go. It's pretty easy to handle underwater. It does not slip, got grips. It's kinda heavy, which is good. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe and leave a like.